Hello everyone, and thank you for returning to my channel. As you can see, these are 24 by 48 large format tiles, and there's my drain and its envelope cut. Usually I start with dry in the center, and then I do my cuts on my right and left, and then I do my drain cut. This niche, I did post one earlier, if you're ever interested in how I put the sills around there with a shelf. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just making sure that my drain is set down for a slope, and also I like to put my level on the drain across and the opposite way. And I'm just gonna double check and make sure I have my slope. So I'm gonna time lapse this, and as you know, I always double back butter my tiles. So I'm just gonna start with the drain. And what I'm gonna do is work in a circle, okay? So it's a puzzle. You grab each piece and you start laying. As you can see, I always have my tiles jumped up. The reason why I do that, my shower base last and my curdy, is because I like to have a true line around the perimeter of the wall and the shower floor. It's a guide, so I don't want to see any humps. I want to see things a little bit more perfect. I'm using my 1/16 spacers, by the way. And I'm just opening up that drain a little bit so I can get some grout in there. So I'm using my red wedges. And we got one more piece. Okay, as you can see, you see my level is to the wall and to the finished floor on the outside of the shower, and it's leveled. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I tuck everything underneath that. So I test one way and I test the other side. And just to give you an idea of a slope. So that's a beautiful slope. If you want to know, every 12 inch is a 1/4 inch drop. So if you go 12 inches, you go 1/4 inch slope. So 2 feet, you go, that'll be a 1/2 inch. Thank you everyone, and hope you stop by.